Let us go ahead and download Hadoop from the command line by typing in the following command. Download has completed successfully. This was the file which we downloaded. Now let us go ahead and copy this file to the /user/local folder by typing in the following command. Let us navigate to the /user/local folder and verify whether the file has been copied successfully. As you can see, the file has been copied successfully. Now let us go ahead and extract this file by typing in the following command. As you can see, this folder is owned by the root user. Let us go ahead and change the ownership of this folder. Let us type in the following command to change the ownership of this folder. Let us verify whether the ownership has been changed or not by typing in the following command. As you can see, the ownership has been changed to HDadmin user. Now let us get back to the home folder of the HDadmin user. As you can see, we are on the home folder. Now let us go ahead and edit the .bash rc file. Add entries for Java home as well as Hadoop home, that is Hadoop prefix, within this file. And append it to the path. Let us reflect the changes by typing in the following command. Let us check the Hadoop prefix variable. Now let us go ahead and check the Java home variable. This is how we go ahead and download Hadoop and install it.